Hello everybody, we're gonna talk about functions today. Functions in Go language as also values. So what do I mean with this is let's go and see. So let's define a couple of functions here, which is like basic operators. So we're gonna have this operator. Obviously it's not gonna do much, just gonna return integer, the sum of the value. And yeah, we're gonna just have 4 of them, like we're going to subtract, and then multiply. Let's keep it short. This is going to return also integer. And then lastly, let's say dividing the values. And it is also going to be the returning integer. All right, now we have the 4 basic functions. So how do we mean with in Golang use functions with as a value? So let's define some function map. Actually, let's call it operator, like bunch of operators we're gonna put, and it's going to be map, and the key of the map is going to be string, and that's the crucial part. You're going to have the function just like the others as the same signature, and then this is going to be the our value. So it's actually that's the whole trick. So when we start putting values to it, it's like adding. Let's put the sign actually, and another is the subtracting, multiplying, and then dividing. All right, now we have this map, and as you see, we defined as a value a function which is completely valid. And now let's go and define some expressions. We have to do something with these operator functions, right? Let's define a bunch of slices. This is also going to be string, and here we can make put some numbers, and let's have 4 of them. And let's put multiplier, and let's put some weird data as well. So 2, and maybe with the one with the weird character. Yeah, that should be fine. So what are we going to do with these expressions and these functions and maps and stuff like that? So we are going to have this. Let's iterate on it. So that's let's call this as expression. We are going to iterate all of these and try to run this functions through this map actually. So it's going to be like op map, and we're gonna say plus, and yeah, that should make the trick. You can start with that part. So let's say expression, and we're gonna have 1, right? So op function, and then we're gonna have awk value. If awk is not awk, then it means this operator is not in our list, right? So let's say this operator is not in the list. This should work, but let's put some random value. So it's going to, it's gonna fail because there are some of these are not valid. So let's make them comment out for now. Let's see. Of course, we need to print out that so we can see the result. Yeah, start to see some result, but we don't want to do it only for a few of them, but we want to do it like, and then we want to get the dynamic values as well. But first there are these issues we need to validate, right? So if, let's say, if length of the expression is not 3, then already continue and just give us some alert and saying not enough forms, right? We need these forms. And of course, we don't want to have this hard-coded values, right? No function. We need some real values here. So let's define the values, and these are string, as you see. So we need to do the string conversion, right? Conversion, sorry. And this is gonna be expression 0. And of course, we have to handle the error as well. If error is not nil, then continue, and also give me some hint. Not good form. Yeah. So that's one, and let's have the same for P2. And we're gonna have this, and let's use these guys here, right? And yeah, let's print this, and that's, I guess we can re-enable them as well. Let's see if it's gonna work. Right, we gotta also continue here as well, and let's try again. Yeah, let me see. This operation not in the list. Yeah, this one, like this, and let's try it again. That should be fine. Yeah, so we are getting the results what we are expecting, and that's the whole trick. One thing as a bonus, as you know, we can create our own custom types, right? Like op operator type, let's say, op-func type, let's say, and we can replace this with this actually. More meaningful, more readable, easier. Yeah, let's try it again. Should work. Yeah, as you see now, um, we used the functions and it made the code much cleaner, and also I think it's a kind of a um, good feature you can use in the Go. Whenever you need the functions, just think them as values. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this, and also comment, and please like the video as well. See you next one.